Hello AJ, is it possible or right to manifest someone that is involved with someone else? It's an absolute no. I would never ever recommend anyone to attract someone who is already in a committed relationship with someone or involved with someone. Do not do it, because why? One thing you need to understand is that when you know that you may be get attracted to someone who is already in a relationship, and it's okay, but the moment you get to know this person is committed or involved in a relationship with someone else, leave them aside. Bless them if they are in a good relationship. Bless them, and you focus on manifesting the right partner that you desire. Remember, there are billions of people on this planet. Billions. So don't waste your time and energy and focusing on someone who is committed or who is already involved with someone else. Why are you wasting your time and energy? When the universe has given you opportunity, there are billions of people, and in those billions, there is always someone who is aligned to you, someone who is like you, someone who is positive, aligned, loving, and ready to share that. When you focus on that alignment, when you focus on that vision, when you focus on that positive relationship, that vision of that relationship, you will attract the person who will align to you. And sometimes people have asked this question like, AJ, someone is already married to someone, or someone is already in a committed relationship, but I'm so attracted to him or her, and I want to break their relationship and I want to attract them. How can I use the law of attraction? And I always tell them that is not the right way, especially that's not the purpose of law of attraction. Purpose of law of attraction is to bring all the good things, align things into your existence. Second, I do not believe that's a good thing, that's an ethical thing to break someone's relationship who is already married or who is already in a committed relationship. Because there are already so many billions of people are there. There is always right people. There are always right people who are available for you. So focus on them, attract the right person, get vibrationally aligned, focus whom you want to attract, and then you attract. Now let me tell you one of the most important reasons why I do not recommend it and why I consider it not the right thing. Okay, if someone is had a relationship, they are no more in the relationship, they are free, they are single, or they are divorced, or like they are out of any relationship and they are free, and then you get along well, then then you can definitely manifest or then want to create the relationship, build the relationship. But when someone is there in the relationship, and because you are somehow attracted, and let's suppose you apply all the tools, techniques, processes, everything, and somehow let's suppose it even worked for you and it broke their relationship, and now this man or woman is with you, and now you are happy for a moment. But do you know, deep down you know that you have broken a relationship and you have snatched or pulled this person into your life. And because you have broken the relationship and you have pulled this person into your life, you will never be secure in this relationship. You will be always having this subconscious belief that what if this person will be gone? What if someone else attract him or her? What if this person is not going to stay with me? What if right now someone is attracting this person? And now you have this insecurity. Remember, one of the key things for a relationship is to feel secure. If you are not feeling secure in a relationship, you cannot actually experience love. You cannot actually experience joy. If you're constantly stay insecure in a relationship, how can you experience the joy? How can you build a life together? Why do two people should get into a relationship? Because they can build their beautiful life together, supporting each other, loving each other, building together, building a life together, building their dreams together, traveling together. But if you are already feeling insecure in a relationship and you are already having this constant fear that what if one day this person will go away from my life, or someone else can manifest and attract this person and take this person away from me, then how can you even experience? Especially if you have broken someone's relationship and pulled one person from a relationship into your life, you'll never feel secure. That's why in most of the spiritual teaching or the social teaching, it is considered to be non-ethical to do this kind of things. So that's why I would never recommend that you should try to attract anyone who is already involved with someone, who is already in a committed relationship, who is already married with someone, because that's not the right thing, that's not the ethical thing, and most importantly, that is not going to do a good programming of your subconscious mind. And if you snatch someone like this, and then this person will stay with you for some time and then go away, then you will suffer even more. Why to waste so much time in this suffering and snatching someone and then suffering again? Why not form a beautiful vision of your love life, of your relationship, attract someone who is free, who is positive, who is spiritual, who is magical, and build a relationship of love, joy, security, and magic. How about that? If you love this idea, let me know in the comment, because that's the most important part. So if this video an eye opener for you, hit the like button, subscribe button, bell icon, and be a part of our tribe. And most importantly, do like and comment and share it with other people so that YouTube will recommend our videos to more and more people like you, so that their life will also be awesome, so that we can infuse more positive energy in this universe. That's all for today. Do ask your questions in the comment section so that I can answer in the upcoming episode. Thank you, thank you, thank you. This is Ajay Mishra, your mentor, guide, and coach in your personal transformation. Thank you.